Hi everyone, I'm going to make a pair of earrings. We're going to make a green pair. I've got these little, some kind of gemstone hearts. Semi-precious, I think. I don't know what it is. But I thought they'd go good with these crystals, so I'm going to put a spacer. And it's about a 6mm. And a 6mm bead. An 8mm spacer. An 8mm bead. So I'd say the hearts are probably 6mm. Another spacer. And another 6mm. That's what it'll look like. You don't have to make them that big. You can just make them however long you want them. Put a heart on. Then we'll put our little spacer on. So you have your heart, your spacer, your 6mm, 8mm spacer, 8mm bead, 8mm spacer, 4mm bead, and they're on ball head pins. Now, these feel like the flimsy ones. So, I was doing a pair earlier and the wire is totally different. I think these are 24 gauge. And the other ones feel like 22 or 20. Because this bends just like that. And the other ones, they bend a whole lot harder. So these will wrap, and the 24 gauge. Last time I used the 24 gauge, it wanted my wrap wanted to go down into the hole of the bead. So I'm going to leave it sticking out just a little bit to keep it from going down in that bead. Just a hair. Not enough to scratch anybody, but I see that cut off so easy that, yeah, there's a difference. And we'll turn it in just a little bit, but not enough to, because otherwise it's going to go inside the bead at the top because the hole's too big. Alright, bend it back, go across. And, yeah, I couldn't do that earlier with the other one. Because this has got to be 24 gauge. Alright, we're just going to leave it like that. bend it down a little bit. Well, I mean, I told it was something. Yeah, I just tried to charge my new batteries again. And, yeah, I don't think they're new. They look new. Maybe they're a pair somebody had sitting around for years and they haven't had a charge on them in so long that they won't hold a charge now. Alright, move my bad hand. It's a lot easier to work with 24 gauge. That's good. Now, take these, twist it open, take your ear wire, put it on, twist it back. Make sure it's closed. Take your ear wire, twist it open, put your other one on, twist it back, make sure it's closed. Make sure your ear wire doesn't let your earring off. Always check that. You just hit it the wrong way with your hair and you can pull them right off. There's our pale green earrings. Y'all I really appreciate y'all sticking it out to the end and liking and subscribing. It helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.